Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Just another video, scratch that and let's go again. Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Just another video. Okay. Yes. Uh I don't know how excited I am about Boxycharm again, another Boxycharm, another probably disappointed. It's heavy, it's bent up. Let's just get into it. I chose the lashes and I've been disappointed with every box that I saw besides one. But you guys know every single time I hope for that one box, I never get that one box. And I've talked to customer service about how they're not following my quizzes, how they're it's just horrible boxes. I've talked to them about me wanting to cancel, but me having the charms and the charm rooms when they're gonna get, more stuff in it, and then they get the stuff, and then it's like not my skin friendly stuff, and it's stuff that I don't like or stuff I don't need, and the stuff that I want is more than my charms. So it's like a little freaking game. It's like, oh, we're gonna give you something that you want, but you know what? You need more charms to buy, so that means you need to be on Boxycharm some more and review more products. It's a fucking game. It's a fucking game. It's like gambling. It's like gambling. Boxycharm is like gambling. Mystery boxer like gambling. And this is gambling. It's a lose-lose situation. I'm losing $25 a month. Not even $25. $27.50, aka 25 plus tax. Anyways, Boxycharm is a $25 a month plus tax beauty subscription. You get 5 full-size products. Supposed to be over $120, $125 worth of value. Supposed to be big and crazy, right? Oh, let's just get up into it. The first thing I saw was a palette, but card. I got variation 21, that's 2021, 08, that's August 02. That means I got two. Variation 2, a BA, that's base box. Laura Gellar, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette is $45, but is bland as and I will not be using it. I will be selling it on my Mercari. I will just show you how it looks because I am definitely never, ever going to be using this. Here's how it looks. Right here, it's in a bubble wrap. Then it has plain black packaging. Then you open it up. If I can open it up. You get a plastic cover, and then there are the shades right there. Here are the shades. Again, boring AF. I mean, they're nice colors and all, but the only one I really can use to deepen everything up is the brown and the mauve. And the only shimmers, I will use all the shimmers, I'm not gonna lie. I use all the shimmers, but I can't use all the mattes. So because of that, this is going on Mercari. I like to use everything, most of the palette, majority all the palette. Like, I want to use everything. I mean, is it that hard to ask? That's not hard to ask, right? No. But I can't blame them. I did say I want eyeshadow palettes equal neutral or crazy eyeshadow palettes, so this does go with my profile. So I'm not mad at them. I just didn't want this one. The next thing is something I really also didn't want. This is the Frank and Body booty drops. You guys know I love the Frank and Body scrub. It's great for my feet. It's great for my body. I love their mask for their cellular mask. Is it cellular mask? No, it's not a face mask. It's a foot mask. I love their foot mask, their foot cream, basically foot products and scrub products. But I never tried this. This is $17.95. This is the Booty Drop Firming Body Oil. Drop it like it's hot. Booty Drops is firming body oil to help smooth you over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, guarana to energize, carrot root extract to hydrate, plus greased grape seeds and jojoba oils to soften skin and get your glowing. Oh, get you glowing. This is what it looks like. And I'm not selling this because if it smells the way it smells, I'm not selling it. I'm going to just use it after I shower at night, not in the morning. Oh my gosh, it's not that bad. It smells like coffee. Yeah, you know the bottom coffee, but it still smells like coffee. It's not that bad. It smells like the bite lip glosses that they had, the coffee ones. Like it smells like that. It's not that bad. I guess other people got worse ones, smelling ones, but this one doesn't smell that bad. I really like it. Okay, that's one product I actually like. So, and that's surprising too. Let's go on to the next one. Hopefully it's good. Let's talk about this then. All right. This right here is retinol. How many times I gotta tell these boxes I do not do retinol? It breaks me out. The last retinol thing I tried, I have bumps right here and bumps right here. It breaks me out. My skin cannot handle it. Even though it's great and all, it takes the layer off and it gives you nice skin. My only thing that gives me has retinol and HAs and BHAs that I could get that works for me is from Sunday Riley. That's the only thing. Everything else does not work for me, and I got tired of trying it because again, retinol no good for me. No bueno, no bueno. So this definitely going on my Mercari if you want to try it out, because retinol is good for you. Depends if your skin can take it. Then go and get it. It will be down below. All my Mercari links will be down below in the description box. Go check it out. Go check it out. Anyways, this is natural 98%, no, 96% stimulating facial serum. This activating blend is formulated with retinol, arginine to help improve overall skin texture, protect the skin from free radicals, and moisturize the skin. Use daily for brightener and younger looking skin. Oh, I had to really squint for that one. Again, not wearing my glasses, not wearing my contacts. This is not little, but it's little for me without my glasses. Retinol, better known as vitamin A, naturally helps improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines, dark spots, and stimulating blood circulation on skin surface. Adaptogens. Anyways, fruit extract, soybean oil help protect the skin. Natural microbiome, and condition the skin. I heard about microbiome in chem class. Wow. School is now registering and I'm like, oh, that's what it is. Oh, um arginine helps synthesize the skin's natural moisturizing factor, protect the skin from free radicals. Maybe this is Clara's New York serum plus vitamin E, RT, stimulating targeted treatment, luminous complexion. It sounds good. I kind of want to keep it, but then I'm kind of like, and I did say I like serums, I like treatments. So again, I'm kind of like, maybe I should keep it, maybe I shouldn't keep it. Because it has retinol, but it looks like it's 100%, no, not 100%, but 96% natural. Almost close. I'll get back to this. I just know for a fact I'm selling the palette on Mercari. So again, link is down below if you want the palette. This, I have no idea yet. If I find out before I put this video up, it will be down in the description box below if I'm selling this or not. But this is really good. I mean, obviously you should be following my Mercari anyways to know before I post videos. But yeah, it sounds good. How much is this stuff? This right here, baby, is $24.99. $24.99 for retinol serum? Now I definitely have to try this out. Now this is gonna be tried out because I need to know how something like this can be 30 bucks. And where to get this, because if I have to get it online, then I know it's 30 plus tax plus shipping. Let's just put that out there. All right, the fourth item is a spray. This is actually one of the items that I actually wanted to get. This and the clearing acne or clearing pimple spray, clarifying one. I wanted to get those two, and I also wanted to get the dead skin mineral makeup wipes. But again, can't get everything that you want. This right here is Manna Kadar Beauty Hydrating Happy Face Mist. This retails for $19. Soothe and refresh tired skin with a mist that preps skin for a hydrating base before makeup application, aka primer. This mighty mix of mineral wakes up the skin, leaving you ready to take the rest of the day. I like that. I like that. So this is a hydrating facial primer. I'm down for that. Ooh, I almost dropped it. I am down for that. I've been using actually my Margot Badescu facial mist as a hydrating primer. So this actually, I've been using this to like put on my face and then put on my pore filling primer where my pores are, and then put on my base. That's basically what I've been using this for, but I could use this for it now. I could save my Mario Badescu and try this out. So again, this is a good item. 3 items that I didn't want, well, 2 items I didn't want, and I actually end up liking or wanting to try, and then this item that I actually wanted. I don't know. It says it smells like perfume. I don't know how it smells. I'm not opening it up until First Impression Friday. So, last product. And it's my choice product. This is the Lavaa Los Angeles lashes. It's Lava, right? Lava, because it has 2 A's. Lava is the 30 lash set. It contains 1 pair of exclusive 3D link lashes in style 30, 1 eyelash adhesive, latex-free waterproof glue, 1 applicator. I don't really use the applicators. I use my fingers. But hey, I could definitely use that new glue. So that's why I got it, because lashes and glue. I could use a new pair of lashes and I could use a new pair of glue. I mean, I have my Sephora glue, but I can't find my other glue. But I have my Tarte glue. I can't find it. Can't find it. So good new glue, and then lashes. Don't really use this, so probably putting it as an add-on in one of my Mercari orders. Again, Mercari is down below. This bad boy retails for $54. $54 for this bad boy. $54 for lashes and glue. I don't even care about the applicators, but for lashes and glue. Okay, sir. Okay. I mean, it comes in this like fancy box. Yeah. Those are all my 5 products. I will tell you my total in a minute. This box is really, really cute. What is like a really paper thing. It says, seduce with 1 glance. It's cute. But it's not heavy. It's not luxurious enough to be $54. My total is $160.94, and then minus the Gellar Palette, because that's the only thing I'm not going to use, which is $45, is $115.94. So that's my Boxycharm. Basically the basic Boxy, the whole shabam. I'm just not happy with Boxy, but hey, what can you do? Can you do? I'm sorry for a long rant video. I guess after September's box, well, September is not a good thing for Boxy because Boxy Lux, but still, but still. I thought Vesca was gonna be, Vesca Beauty. I thought this was gonna be on for add-ons this month because it wasn't last month, but no. Nope, no bronzer for me. I really hate that they have bronzers, but not a bronzer for my complexion. Yay! And I think they do, but they don't. They don't. I really wanted to see if Iconic was the bronzer for me, but it looked grayish, and I don't want to look like gray. So I chose something that I know I would use, which is lashes. Chose the educational and the correct choice for me. It's sad to be correct and still be bummed out about your box. Anyways, deuces. Have a better day than me, and have a blessed day, and have a safe day. Video right here, head right here, and everything is down below in the description box, plus how to get everything that I showed you. And Boxycharm, if you want to decide, I don't know why would you decide, but if you want to sign up, it's down there. And also how to contact me, and also my TikToks. That's it, yeah. Deuces.